What's up, guys? Your guy Crypto Chuck back here, the group Crypto Black. We're back at it again, baby. Hope you guys are having a great day. I know that I am. And guys, man, the market is going crazy right now. Well, I ain't gonna say it's going too crazy. It's fine. People been, they've been a little nervous. You know what I mean? So, but man, right now, the market is taking a little dip. And we'll talk about the reason why it's taking a little dip. But we're gonna have you guys start coming into the chat and start coming into the channel and start typing in your questions and everything, you know what I mean? But guys, first thing first, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Again, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the channel, guys. Follow us on all different social medias. We're at The Crypto Black on all our different social medias, TikTok, Instagram, Twitter. We always tweeting out different stuff, so there's a lot of things going on. You hear them things right there in the background? That's the alerts that's popping off, guys. So just make sure you guys all follow us on Twitter. And shout out to everybody. They did take a 2 weeks challenge last month. And man, it was a success. A lot of people made a lot of money doing this 2 week challenge, and we got those alerts still going for the people that actually came over to our trading group. So yeah, guys. So make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe to the channel, guys. We'll keep it going. But today, we're going to talk about an airdrop. You know what I mean? A token that was dropped, you know what I mean, with high demand. A lot of people got it just for utilizing the smart contracts. And we also talk about how the Fed money printer is going. Remember, it was going brrr, now it's going in reverse. They stopping that printer, guys. So we're going to talk about that here today. Well, man, we're seeing the market right now. We had a push down in the market. Go down to probably the 7-day moving average. I mean, anything above 30,000 I think is pretty good anyway. But some people want to know, hey, why is it going down? Guys, we're seeing right here. We have right here at 11:30 a.m. We had earlier today. We had a Fed Williams speech. And then at 1 p.m. going on right now, we got Fed Bullard speech. So, and then we got the API crude oil stock change, but that really don't mean too much. It really just is the Fed's guys, these two are speaking, their little speech, but it's not big as Fed Powell now. Fed Powell, that's on the 15th. He'll be talking about interest rates and see if he increased the interest rates. A lot of people are saying 50 basis points. Some people are saying 75 basis points. We'll see how it goes on the 15th, but it's Wednesday. I don't like trading on Wednesdays anyway, so I'm chilling. You take your profits when the market is green, and that's what we did. Got to the market on Sunday and rolled it up. Took our profits, yesterday, and then late last night. Market started doing a little turn today. You're already out of it, or start taking some of your profits while you're in it today. While the market is going down. So you want to get your profits early, and you don't want to wait too late. All right. So for all my swing traders out there. All my other people that shorting the market around this time, knowing the market could take a dip, and there you go. Shout out to you as well. All right. So, man, today let's look at Bitcoin. So Bitcoin right now is at $30,298, up 2.99% for the week, down 21.03% for the month. In the past month. So. Well, we just started a brand new month, June 1st, baby. So we ended May pretty strong, nice push up inside May, as you guys can see right here. But what we're doing is we're gonna see if we can drop down to this 30-day moving. I'm sorry, the 7-day moving average. Come down here to about 30,000. See if we can bounce off of 30,000. Staying above 30,000, we'll be good, and see if we can get a push up. In the next few days. Coming up to about 32, we gotta get above 32,000 and stay and close above 32,000. All right. So that's for Bitcoin right now. Let's check out the airdrop, guys. The airdrop. A lot of people know what's going on with the airdrop. What airdrop, man? Hey, you talking this airdrop? What are you talking about, man? So Optimism airdrops token amid high demand and drama. So it says some users claim that they have been interacting with the smart contract before it went live, while some are saying they suddenly became ineligible for the airdrop. So it's a fiasco going on right now. So Ethereum Layer 2 solution Optimism has airdropped its OP governance token to around 249,000 wallets in the early hours of June 1st. They tweeted out here, guys. You can follow them right there on Twitter. So it says, according to the Optimism airdrop white paper, its first tranche, I guess, of airdrops will be for users who have been instrumental as early adopters and active users of projects in the Optimism ecosystem. The white paper identified 248,699 addresses that are eligible for the airdrop in this category. It said, "Oh, you don't forget to join our community AMA." So yeah, you go on these AMAs and then listen. I like to go on here on Twitter Spaces, and then listen in on the different AMAs. A lot of times people just come up with stuff and they don't know, and it's like, yeah, you should have been in on an AMA and ask what's going on, or just listen and see what's going on. You get a lot of good information out of these AMAs. It says, we update the eligibility table in this thread for clarity, so 428, and you go right here on Twitter, and you can pretty much click on it on the link, and take you right there for the information on how you actually be eligible for the airdrop. And they had a nice little broken down right here as well, the different wallets. It said Optimism will be distributing 5% of its tokens in this first airdrop, while 14% will be left for future airdrops. So the rest of the tokens will be used for ecosystem funds, private investors, public goods funding, and core contributors. So guys, you want to go in on here, start interacting, so you'll be able to qualify for the other 14% that's left over for future airdrops. You don't know what it's for, so what you want to do is you want to go in there and interact. Optimism is a layer 2 scaling solution on Ethereum that aims to improve transaction speeds and reduce costs by combining several transactions into one bundle. And it then sends this through Ethereum as a single transaction. The layer 2 solutions, says like Optimism, has become quite a common on Ethereum as they allow developers to enjoy the security of Ethereum and avoid the constant issues of network congestion and high transaction fees. Now, Optimism removed 17,000 wallets. So it says on May 23rd, Optimism revealed its decision to remove airdrop farmers from its list. It removed 17,000 Sybil addresses and recovered over 14 million OP tokens that it intends to redistribute among the user base. So it says, we've been carefully analyzing OP for Sybil attacks that slipped through the cracks. That's good. They found it before. So it said, bye-bye Sybils. So it's an airdrop forming or Sybil attack. It's a process where a user tries to get airdrops on multiple wallets. Sybil attacks are pretty common in the industry, although they are frowned upon by many. Yeah, because basically you can have different wallets, guys. That's how a lot of people was able to bank off that Uniswap airdrop, because each address, they would just drop. You just got an airdrop inside each address. You can have multiple wallets. Like with MetaMask, you can have multiple wallets. You know what I mean? You just treat those accounts, and then you can just pretty much interact with the DEX, interact with the smart contract, and then guess what happens? You'll get that airdrop for each wallet interacting with that smart contract. So it says, before the airdrop became available, some users had claimed that they've been directly interacting with the smart contract. The moderator in Optimism Discord server said that the team was testing the airdrop functionality. This says, right here he said, Optimism team is just testing and product, and some lucky people selling their tokens ahead of us being able to sell. Well, that's crazy. So since the airdrop went live, some Optimism users said that they lost their eligibility status even though they were initially eligible. So it says, I was eligible for airdrop to claim, and suddenly it's showing now that I'm not eligible. So the OP token is currently trading for $1.78 on CoinGecko after launching at $1.49. Its price went as high as $2.10 before dropping to its current value. So let's check this out right here. Let's see. Let's refresh this right here. Optimism. Yeah, its tank is going down, and yeah. So we see it's going down. This in the last hour down 3.4%. I mean, everything's going down right now, so I gotta be fair. Yeah, all-time high. Yeah, down 48% from its all-time high. That's what happened. A lot of people dump. The trading volume, trading volume, good volume, good trading volume, good money on this one right here. So let's see right here, and then where we're gonna actually buy it. So people that do want to buy it, do want to trade it. You're looking at circulating supply, 214 million. So it's, it's not crazy, not in the billions. With circulating supply, now overall supply it will be. But I mean, it's on Binance, on OKX, Hubei, so KuCoin, I believe, exchange, yeah, KuCoin. Well, that's a good arbitrage right here. KuCoin, $4, $3, Uniswap, and down the Zip Swap, $8. That's a good arbitrage. $7 on MEXC, $9 Uniswap Optimism. Wow. On Binance and OKX, this is a real good arbitrage. You buy it for 103 down here. Yeah, that's good on Hubei. You can get it on Hubei $4 and then sell it on OKX or Binance. For $10. That's a come up right there. Let's see right here. So that's a good come up right there, guys, on a good arbitrage, especially these new coins. That's a real good come up. But so let's check it out, man. Fed printer go brrr. And now it's going. Now I said Fed money printer goes into reverse. What does it mean for crypto? What will happen to crypto markets when quantitative tightening takes full effect and the Federal Reserve shells the money printer? So let's check this out, man. The market's still pushing down. Yep, still pushing down. We wait for it to hit that 7-day. See if it hit that 7-day, and then see if it push back up. We're starting to see a little more volume increase as well. Selling pressure come inside here, and see if we hit that 7-day, and then right at 30,000, and then see if it push right back up. We'll see. What I do, I'm gonna put my alert in. Right click, and then I'll just add my alert. Crossing down, then boom. So I'll get my alert and see if the alert hits before the live was over today. So it says United States Federal Reserve is starting to process of paring back its $9 trillion balance sheet that ballooned in recent years in a move called quantitative tightening. Not quantitative easing. They've done quantitative easing before. Now it's quantitative tightening. Now it says analysts from a crypto exchange and financial investment firm had conflicting opinions about whether QT starting on Wednesday will put an end to a decade of unprecedented growth across crypto markets. So the worst part about this is that I would imagine 80% of Americans have no idea what quantitative tightening is. I'll say 90%. Why would we? This wasn't taught in public schools. The SEC should worry about educating Americans on these terms, as I believe that's part of protecting us. So it's unusual. Well, the Fed starts quantitative tightening tomorrow. It will process $47.5 billion a month for the first 3 months. It will increase to a full $95 billion 3 months later. They're trying to reduce their balance sheet by $7.6 trillion by 2023 end. That means the money printer gonna go. Man, I feel sorry. There's a lot of people out there don't know what's coming, man. So it says lay people can consider QT the opposite of quantitative easing or money printing, which the Fed has been engaging since the start of COVID-19 pandemic in 2020. Under QE conditions, more money is created and distributed while the Fed adds bonds and other treasury instruments to its balance sheet. The Fed plans on shrinking its balance sheet by $47.5 billion per month for the next 3 months. In September this year, it plans on a $95 billion reduction. It aims to see its balance sheet reduced by $7.6 trillion by the end of 2023. Bitcoin has never, the tweet here from Crypto Well, Bitcoin has never once in its history been in a bull market while the Federal Reserve did quantitative tightening. I don't think we're in the bull market right now. So Smart Wells spent the last 12 plus months dumping their bags on dumb retail. The mega crash is inevitable. And said Pav Hundo, manager at the Australian crypto exchange Sphinx, believes that QT could have a negative impact on markets. He told Cointelegraph on Wednesday that it's very possible that you might just see growth in market cap trimmed slightly. I don't know about that, dog. So it said, quote, the Fed is calling assets harder and faster than a lot of analysts had expected, and it's difficult to imagine that this won't have some kind of impact on investor sentiment across markets, end quote. Now, I agree with that 100%. So it says initiated in March 2020, the impact of QE, quantitative easing, guys, on the crypto market was dramatic. CoinGecko data showed that the crypto market cap languished through 2019 and early 2020, but a vibrant bull market began in late March as the money printer fired up. The total crypto market cap burst from $162 billion on March 23, 2020 to a peak of just over $3 trillion last November. Over a similar time frame, the Fed balance sheet increased 2.1-fold from $4.17 trillion on January 1st, 2020 to $8.95 trillion on June 1st, 2022. That's the fastest rate of increase since the last global financial crisis started in 2007. So it says, furthermore, we expect a market bounce imminently, meaning investors should be positioning portfolios to capitalize on this. Yeah, and I'm going to talk about that a little bit later. Wage increases among American workers, especially in the hospitality industry, have already been observed as labor demand remains high. So assuming wages remain high through QT, the U.S. may emerge from the economic downturn with lower income inequality. Crypto market analysts explained in a Tuesday tweet that it was possible to wind up with more cash in their pockets from their higher wages. The crypto market could ultimately benefit from QT. Yeah, but higher wages, but everything else is going higher. Everything is much higher. The inflation is way higher. So, so at the end of the day, it really doesn't matter because it might be getting higher wages, maybe 3%, 4% raise, but inflation in reality is like 20%. You know what I mean? You start putting like the real numbers there, to about 20%. With your gas, your food, pretty much energy, everything. You know what I mean? And on top of that, people don't understand, China's opening back up. As millions, tens of millions of people, different cities like Shanghai and Beijing and all that, they opening up from the whole thing. They was on lockdown for the last few months. They gonna need a demand. They gonna have a demand for gas. They gonna need demand, to fill their tanks too and drive around and go back and forth to work and do what they want to do, right? So that demand gonna come in for gas. So gas gonna get even higher as well. So guys, just something to think about, man. But yeah, man, what we're gonna do a quick Q&A, and what we're gonna we're gonna pretty much finish this up and get everything going as you guys go on your day. But yep, we're seeing it. We're waiting for that drop. Yeah, guys, we had this push up. And our mastermind report, guys, if you guys don't have the mastermind report, make sure you guys at least get that. If you're not in DCG, if you're not trading, make sure you at least get that mastermind report. You can click the link below in the description box, guys, and you'll be able to just get the mastermind report. Because the mastermind report, we had to buy on the 28th. So right here. So you could have just bought right here on the 28th and rolled this up. You rolled all the way up to 13%, almost 14%. But for new people just trading moving averages, you could just sold at the 20-day moving average and still made 7.42%. It's a good trade in 3 days. So those type of things, guys, you'll learn. You can trade like that. I love trading moving average. It's so easy. As long as you discipline. But yeah, guys, post your questions in the chat. If we don't have any questions, then we're gonna end this live. Make sure you like, guys. Like. Hit that like button. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Besides that, guys, we're going to make sure you follow me on Twitter, guys, at @TheCryptoBlack, Instagram as well. We're gonna do some real nice stuff. We'll have some Twitter Spaces coming up, where people may actually get to you're gonna be happy. That's all I'm gonna say. I'm not gonna spill the beans yet, but you're gonna be happy. We have some giveaways. That's all I'm gonna say. We have some giveaways. But we don't have any questions in the chat, guys. I'm gonna end this live right now. So I'm gonna grab me some lunch, and I might take me a nap. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Make sure you guys stack your sats and chill. It's your guy Crypto Chuck here to Crypto Black. We out of here, baby. Peace.